Now the wolfberry, we just need to rinse it and then put it aside. It will expand and soften. Now the pumpkin, just cut it into bite size, alright, so that easier to cook afterward during the steaming. Now for the black fungus, soak it until they expand and open up. Now if it are too big, use a scissors to cut it into suitable size. Alright. For the mushroom, depending on whether you are using the big or the small one, okay, also cut into suitable size. Now if the stalk is too hard, then you trim it off. Otherwise you can use it. Okay, so the hard one you can throw it away. Now the water here, we will later on add it into the chicken for the steaming. Now we shall marinate the chicken. Okay, put in 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Then squeeze in the ginger juice. Now we may add a bit of mushroom water in to get more juice out of it. Now this will add fragrance to the chicken. Then put 1 teaspoon of cornstarch in. This will smoothen it after the steaming. Now we'll put it aside. Let it marinate for about half an hour or more. Now after more than half an hour, we are ready for the steaming. Put in all our ingredients in. Now for the black fungus, squeeze out all the water first. Now the mushroom water, you can add it in for the flavor. Then you have the blueberry. Now get them all mixed. Now we shall prepare our steaming dish. Put in some oil so that the chicken will not stick onto it when being cooked. Okay, coat the surface. Then put in all your chicken. Now arrange them so that they are in single layer. Otherwise the bottom will not be cooked. Now arrange them and spread out the items so that they are visually pleasing. Now when the water comes to boil, put it in, cover it. We shall steam it for 10 minutes. Now we have steamed it for 10 minutes already. Now take a toothpick to test whether they are cooked or not. Okay, if they can poke through easily, they are alright. Okay, that's on the chicken as well as the pumpkin. Alright, so all of them are cooked already. Now, so the dish is done already.